Nice to see you, children. In this chapter we will discuss about the parts of computer. Okay, see the board. I draw a picture. You know what is the name of this picture? Yes, computer. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. These all are called computer. All together we can say computer, but separately we can say this is the monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. These four are the essential part of a computer. Okay, without keyboard we cannot send the data or instruction to the CPU. Without mouse we cannot click the option. Okay, without monitor we cannot see what we have done on the keyboard. Okay, without CPU all the calculations, all the processing work cannot done, isn't it? So these all together we can say computer. So these four are the essential parts of the computer. What are the essential parts? Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Very good. These four are the essential parts of the computer. These four are the essential parts of the computer. Monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Okay, these all are very, very important parts of a computer. Understand what is the spelling of monitor? M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. CPU. What is the full form of the CPU? Central Processing Unit. Then keyboard. Okay, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Next mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Whenever we are using mouse, we have to keep the mouse on the mouse pad. Understand? Otherwise mouse will be affected. Understand? See your book, page number 10. So what and all I taught, the same is there in your book. Understand? Essential parts of the computer. What are the essential parts? Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. These are the essential parts of the computer. Without keyboard we cannot send the data. Without mouse we cannot click the options. Understand? Without monitor we cannot see the outputs. Without CPU we cannot done the processing work. So these four are the essential parts of the computer. Understand? How we are dividing the parts? How we can say our parts of our body? Head, forehead, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, teeth, tongue, etc. etc. The same we can say the parts of the computer. Understand, my dear? Monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Understand? So apart from this, what are the other parts of the computer? Joystick, scanner, printer, speaker, all has given in your book. Now we will see monitor. Monitor is an output device. Monitor is an output device. Output device. The other name of the monitor is VDU, Visual Display Unit. Okay, visually what we can see the screen. This is called monitor and front part is called a screen. On the screen this is called cursor. What is this? This is called cursor. The blinking line is called cursor. What the cursor is telling? Here we can start type. Understand? Here we can start type. Very good. Then CPU. CPU. What is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Understand? This is the processing unit. Understand? This is the processing unit. And see, this is the keyboard. Lot of keys we have. Nearly 104 keys. 104 keys they have. 104 keys. 5 different types of keys. What are the 5 different types of keys? Function keys, alphabet keys, number keys, special keys and arrow keys. 5 different types of keys they have. Understand? So total number of keys 104, types of keys 5 types of keys, and keyboard and mouse are the input device. Keyboard and mouse are the input device. Keyboard and mouse are the input device. Understand? So keyboard and mouse are the input device. CPU is the processing unit. Monitor is an output device. Okay, children? Okay. List the essential parts of a computer. Monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Monitor is the visual display unit. Okay, monitor is the visual display unit. What we are doing on the keyboard, that data will be displayed on the monitor. Okay, va? Okay. I am explaining with an example. Listen. Example 2 plus 2. Here 2 plus 2 is a data. Okay. How can we send this data to the computer? I mean CPU, with the help of keyboard. 2 plus 2. I told you no, number keys are there on the keyboard. With the help of number keys we can send this data. 2 plus 2. Okay. This is the data. 2 plus 2. Then 2 plus 2 is equal to, here they are adding this 2 number. 2 plus 2. Okay. This is called processing. This is called processing. This processing process done by CPU. Understand? And finally, they are showing the answer with the help of monitor. Understand? 2 plus 2 is the data. This data will be sent with the help of keyboard, and immediately we can see on the monitor also. Okay. Then 2 plus 2 is equal to, they are adding this 2 number. This process is done by processing, that means CPU, processing unit, and finally they are showing the answer 4. This is an output device. This answer will be seen on the screen. So monitor is an output device. Through monitor we can see the answer. Understand, my dear? So 2 plus 2 is a data. 2 plus 2 is equal to is the processing. This processing done by CPU, and finally 4 is the answer. This answer we can see on the monitor. Okay, here all the essential part is working. All the essential part is working. What are the essential parts? Monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Understand why these all parts are essential? Yes, very good. Yes. Now see, mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. Next one is, we finish this all. Monitor is the other name of the monitor is a visual display unit. Then CPU, all the arithmetic process done by in the processing unit, and then this is the keyboard, nearly 104 keys, 5 different types of keys, function keys, alphabet keys, number keys, special keys and arrow keys. Which is the longest key on the keyboard? Space bar key. Which is the longest key on the keyboard? Space bar key. And finally, this is the mouse. Mouse has 2 buttons. In our left hand side, left button. In our right hand side, right button. Okay. And the center part is called wheel. What is the use of the wheel? We can move the page up and down. We can move the page up and down. What is this? This is the mouse pad. Whenever we are using mouse, always we keep the mouse on the mouse pad. Okay. Apart from these parts, and very important points, CPU is the brain of the computer. CPU is the brain of the computer. Why CPU is the brain of the computer? Because all the parts are controlled by the CPU. How our brain is controlling by us? So our brain is instructing, do this, do that, do not do அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நமக்கு சொல்லுது இல்லையா? அதே போல தான் CPU is instructing all the parts of the computer. That's why CPU is the brain of the computer. Understand? The picture is also there in your book, page number 13. Understand? Then some other parts they have given in your book. First one is printer. The another parts are, first one is printer. If you want to whatever we are doing on the keyboard, all the instructions visually we can see on the monitor. That functions we can take the in a printer form with the help of printer. Okay. Then the next one is scanner. What is the use of the scanner? If you want to send any picture to the computer, with the help of scanner it is possible. Okay, very good. Next one is joystick. What is the use of the joystick? Yes, with the help of joystick we can play games. With the help of joysticks we can play games. Okay, the last one is speaker. We can hear music, pleasant music. We can hear the music on the speaker. With the help of speaker we can hear the music. Understand? And we can enjoy. So see the board now. Parts of your computer. The name of the chapter is parts of your computer. I draw a picture. Monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Yes. Monitor is a output device. The another name of the monitor is a VDU, visual display unit. And the next one is CPU. CPU is the processing unit. And next one is keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. And the another one, mouse, is also an input device. So these four are the very, very essential part. In a computer, these four are the very, very essential part. Okay. I just list out monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. And keyboard and mouse are the input device. Keyboard have 104 keys and 5 different types of keys. Okay children, with an example, I just explain. 2 plus 2 is a data. This data we will send with the help of keyboard. Okay. So here keyboard is very, very important. Understand? 2 plus 2 is equal. This process is done by processing unit in CPU. And finally the answer is 4. This 4 will be displayed on the monitor. So these 4 parts are very, very important. Apart from these 4 parts, these are printer, scanner, joystick and speaker. Isn't it? This all is there in your book. Please go through the book along with the video. It's very helpful to understand in an easy method. Understand my dear? Okay. Very good. See one more time. Monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. These 4 are the very, very essential part in a computer. Isn't it? I just explained with an example also. So whenever you are watching this video with the help of book, you can watch this video, you can understand easily. Okay. Thank you.